Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the best in home tech to make sure you get the most out of your products. Today, we're looking at a lightweight handheld vacuum that promises big performance with minimal effort. The Dirt Devil 12-volt whole-home cordless handheld vacuum. This compact cleaner is packed with features that make tackling messes quick and easy. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Dirt Devil BD40200V brings a 12-volt rechargeable lithium battery to the table, delivering strong suction for a handheld vacuum. With a multi-surface toolkit that includes a crevice tool and a pivoting dusting brush, this vacuum is designed to tackle a wide range of messes. Whether you're cleaning your floors, your couch, or even your car, this vacuum promises versatility in one small, handheld package. The charging stand with built-in tool storage is a smart addition, keeping everything in one place and reducing clutter. It's also worth noting the easy empty dirt cup, which makes dumping debris quick and convenient. No more fiddling around with bags. When it comes to performance, this Dirt Devil vacuum shines in real-world use. The powerful 12-volt suction is ideal for grabbing dust, dirt, and crumbs from various surfaces. On hard floors, it picks up particles with ease. And on carpets, it performs surprisingly well for a handheld vacuum. The pivoting dusting brush really helps when you're trying to clean furniture or tight spots like between couch cushions. The crevice tool, meanwhile, is perfect for getting into those narrow spaces that are often missed with bulkier vacuums. But how does it handle pet hair? Given its compact design, the Dirt Devil does an impressive job lifting hair from upholstery and floors. While it won't completely replace a full-sized vacuum, it's certainly effective for those quick cleanups between more intense sessions. For anyone with long hair, the brush roll does a decent job of preventing tangling, but it's something to watch out for with frequent use. In terms of battery life, this model holds up well with its lithium battery. You can expect around 15 to 20 minutes of runtime, depending on the power setting you use. It's not a lot for deep cleanse, but it's more than enough for spot cleaning or quick sessions around the house. Plus, it only takes a few hours to recharge, and the charging stand makes storage and recharging a breeze. While it's not as long-lasting as some larger cordless models, the runtime is pretty standard for handheld vacuums. When it comes to noise, the Dirt Devil is pleasantly quiet. It's not whisper quiet, but it's quieter than many other handheld vacuums I've tested, which is a welcome feature if you're sensitive to noise or need to clean up in a hurry without disturbing anyone. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this Dirt Devil is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The suction power is strong for its size, and the included toolkit is versatile, helping you clean a variety of surfaces and spaces. The charging stand with built-in tool storage is a thoughtful touch that helps keep everything organized and ready to go. The easy empty dirt cup is another win. It's large enough to minimize the need for frequent emptying, and it's designed to be mess-free. However, as with any product, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The battery life could be longer, especially if you're planning to clean large areas or do a deep cleaning session. While the vacuum is great for smaller messes, it's not the best option for deep carpet cleaning, and it might struggle with more stubborn dirt, especially in high-traffic areas. Additionally, while the suction is good, it's not quite as powerful as larger vacuums, so keep that in mind if you need heavy-duty performance. When considering the price, the Dirt Devil 12-volt whole-home handheld vacuum offers good value for the money. It's priced competitively for its size and performance, especially given the included tools and features. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution for daily messes or light cleaning tasks, this is a solid choice. However, if you need something with stronger suction for more intense cleaning, you might want to look into some larger handhelds or full-sized vacuums. In comparison, vacuums like the Black Decker Dustbuster or the Shark Wand Vac offer similar cordless convenience, but may come with a slightly higher price tag or additional features like longer battery life or specialized attachments. However, for the cost, the Dirt Devil holds its ground, especially with its unique toolkit and efficient design. As for build quality, the Dirt Devil is solid, with robust plastic construction and well-designed joints and connections. The tools are easy to attach and remove, and the vacuum itself feels durable enough for everyday use. Maintenance is straightforward. The dirt cup is easy to empty, and the filters are simple to clean. If you're dealing with pet hair or long strands of hair, you'll want to regularly clean the brush roll, but that's true of most vacuums. When it comes to customer support, Dirt Devil has a solid reputation for handling warranty issues, but it's always worth checking for your region's support options. Given the simplicity of this model, most customers will likely have minimal need for customer service, but it's always good to know the brand is reliable when issues do arise. In conclusion, the Dirt Devil 12-volt whole-home cordless handheld vacuum is a versatile, lightweight, and powerful option for those looking to keep their home tidy with minimal effort. It's perfect for quick spot cleans, pet hair removal, and handling everyday messes. Its compact size and handy toolkit make it easy to use around the house, in the car, or even on your stairs. While it might not replace a full-sized vacuum for deep cleanse, it delivers strong performance for its class and is well worth considering for anyone in need of a reliable handheld vacuum. If you're in the market for something portable and practical for small cleanups, this vacuum is definitely worth a look. Be sure to check the link in the comments box for more details. As always, thanks for watching, and feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions about the Dirt Devil in the comments. Goodbye till next time. And remember, a clean home is just a vacuum away.